Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to enable Google AdSense auto ads for AMP. This is a great feature if you want to automatically display ads on your AMP pages without having to manually place ad units, making monetization much simpler and more efficient. First, you'll want to head over to your browser and type in adsense.google.com in the address bar. This will take you to the Google AdSense homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that's linked to your website where you want to enable these auto ads. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your AdSense dashboard. Now direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From these options, click on Ads. This section is where you manage all your ad settings and configurations, giving you control over how ads appear across your sites. Once you click on Ads, the interface will update and you'll see various options appear on the right side of your screen. Look for and click on AMP settings. This is the specific area dedicated to managing ads for AMP pages, which are the accelerated mobile pages designed to load faster on mobile devices. Now you should see a section labeled Auto Ads for AMP. This is the feature that will allow Google to automatically place and optimize ads on your AMP pages without you having to do it manually. It's designed to maximize your ad revenue while maintaining a good user experience on mobile devices. To activate this feature, simply click the toggle button next to Auto Ads for AMP. You'll see the toggle switch from off to on, indicating that the feature is now enabled. This means Google will start automatically placing ads on your AMP pages based on their algorithms. Finally, to save all these changes, click Apply. This confirms your settings and ensures that auto ads for AMP are now active on your account. The changes should take effect shortly, though it may take a little time for the ads to start appearing on your AMP pages as Google processes the new settings. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Google AdSense Auto Ads for AMP, allowing for automated ad placement on your mobile pages. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.